Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ivan Banhao, and today we're dividing into three powerful pillars of success in any career or business and customer relationship management, networking and social and professional issues. Now you may think these are separate topics, but they actually deeply connected in whether you're building a business and advising your career or just trying to thrive in the modern and workplace. How you manage a relationship, connect with the people, and having social responsibilities can make all difference. In this blog we're breaking it all down. How do you build trust and professional network and negative colleging like NTEX and digital behavior and workplace respect.